Can you imagine? And then what being gone? Even at her age, she's still in her parents' house. And then originally had it. To Manaka. Right next time, make a game. Man, what of nonsense is that?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you coming from?
Oh, okay. I went to see my friend, so I'm going home.
Okay. Hope it's not Uma.
God to fear. God forbid.
What is the problem?
No problem. I'm just going home. Yes.
What is going on here?
No, nothing. No. Nothing.
Okay, let's go to your house. Yes. What is going on here? And what is this idiot doing here? I thought you said you were done with her. Chagodiro, wait a minute. Did you just call me an idiot?
Just calm down. I will explain. I will explain everything to you. Oh? Huh?
Explain what exactly? I thought you said you were done with her. She should live here. Obim, what is she talking about?
It's not what you think. Don't worry, just relax. I said you should relax. I will tell you everything. Just relax.
Oh, you heard me well. You heard me well. He is no longer your boyfriend. He is now mine. My husband to be. You can go. Obim, don't tell me you're having an affair with this girl.
No. It's not what you think. It's just that I will explain everything to you. I will explain.
Let's go. Let's leave this. Stay the hell away from me. You bastard. Hey! Obim, so you allowed this fool to slap you? And you didn't do anything? Shame on you! Shame on you! Tofiakwa! Rubbish! No, don't try.
Ugom? Hey, Chimogum. Can you see where Kodoromum? Hey, how come matter with your Kaki? Where am I going from here? Or can see Jen? Ugom?
Mama.
What is it?
Nothing, Mama.
What do you mean by nothing? And why is your face dull? Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying. I'm having headache, Mama.
Headache? Okay, so bad. Just look after the house. I want to go to Mama Nkechi's house.
Okay, Mama. Deal with you. You are going to pay for making me feel this pain. You will pay for it. And as for that good for nothing girl, I will deal with her. I will. She will never go scot-free. Me, I will deal with her.
Injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner.
Good evening. Please, is this Ndukwe's house?
Yes. Who are you?
Okay, my name is Henry. I am here to see your son, Ejike.
My son?
Yes.
Papa, the water is cold. Papa, what is this man doing here?
He said he's here to see you.
Papa, who allowed this man into this compound?
Ejike, can you just calm down, okay? I want us to talk, please.
Listen, I have no business with you. Leave here now. Papa, ask this man to leave here. I don't know him. He's a criminal. Leave here now.
Can you just calm down? At least give me audience.
I said leave here now.
Man.
Okay, wait for me. Can you just leave?
Listen, Papa, there's something I want to discuss.
Will you leave before he comes out? I'm a monyobo. Leave.
Okay, I will leave, but at least let me just...
Leave. Hey!
Your sister called. They have fixed date for their traditional marriage.
Hey, Mama, that is a good news. It's a good news. I am happy for her. I'm happy for her. Well. And Mama, I want you to tell you that I am accepting to standing for your niece. I am accepting. I agree.
Hey, Nemo. Thank you, Thank you. God will bless you. Amen. God will give you a good man that will take very good care of you.
Amen.
God will bless your marriage. Give you plenty children, many children.
My, this is okay. You're talking plenty. You're giving me plenty blessings.
Now you deserve it.
Thank you.
Mama, what is going on here?
Hey, Norma. Your sister has accepted to stand for Eunice.
Rubbish.
No, Mama. What is the meaning of that nonsense she doing now? No, what is the meaning?
It's okay, don't worry. I will talk to her.
No, Mama, this is not about you talking to her, not talking to her. Even talking to her. Talking to her, Mama. I don't think taking nonsense from anybody. You know me, I'm not alright. Talking to her.
Don't worry.
Me and her met him.
Justice, my corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, my corner lawyer for. She is bold enough. On with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. On with the bandila. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Papa? Deal.
Wash your hand and join me.
I just finished eating my own food.
Yeah.
Papa, I heard the Igwe is very sick.
How did you know about that? I mean, who told you?
Papa, forget about who told me. I came to ask you, what are you going to do?
Exactly my problem. And that's why I'm insisting that Uche must return so that he will marry.
But Papa, I don't have money to marry. And I believe we all know that Uche is studying overseas. So how do you expect him to leave his studies and come back to get married?
He has to make that a priority. He must come back. You should take that opportunity and let's face it.
Papa, I don't think it is possible for him to leave his studies and come back just because he wants to get married. That's not possible.
But it is possible. Very, very possible. I mean, with time, they will have holidays and he will return. Don't they have holidays in that place?
But Papa, I don't want this to cause any trouble.
That's why I'm avoiding that trouble. By arranging for him to come back. And have no break and at school. After a break or nothing. He will come back from that place.
Because ignoring his studies and coming back to marry, only call it.
There's no problem. Only record it. Better. But I can make her cause him na rope work. I'm wrong. You very mendilo. And have a break. They'll give him break, he'll come. He'll go back. I'm arranging for that. To let them fix it. They will call him and they will call the school management.
They will call the school management?
And they will have break for him to come back.
Papa, they will call the school management?
Yes.
For him to come back? Do you know the school?
There is a person I know that will work it for me.
Ejike, except your brother returns and marries a wife, your father will automatically lose everything if Igwe eventually dies.
So Iche, what do we do? Uchenna is far away, and I cannot guarantee his return anytime soon.
He has to come back. There is a man I will direct you to.
Who's that?
Barrister Obiora, Anyego's lawyer. He can help to facilitate Uchenna's return.
And you think that's possible?
Yes. He can work a way out for Uchenna to come home. At least a few weeks' time. Talk to his barrister.
Uzo, so you mean it is possible for Uchenna to return?
Of course, it is. Though he might not be allowed to stay more than a week.
Is that so? Then I have to go and see him right away. Whatever happens, I will let you know. At worst, I'll call you on phone.
Yes.
So it is possible?
It's possible.
Hey,
just go. Huh? Hey. Ijoma.
So he said, my father. Oh, is that all you want me to do for you?
Yes. I want you to tell my father and every other person that Uchenna cannot return. He has to stay back and finish his studies. If he does, he'll be withdrawn from school.
Well, that is not true.
I know, Barrister, but it's just a way of making my father, allow my brother to face his studies.
That's ridiculous.
I know, but you see, my father wants him to come back home to get married. My father wants him to leave his school, his studies, to come back home to get married. I feel that's not right. You understand? He needs to maximize his time there as a scholarship student. Because I know that if he does well over there, he will also benefit from it.
In that case, I think you're right.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I've heard you.
Okay, Barrister.
I've heard what you said. It's going to cost you some money.
I have to pay for it.
You pay now. Am I not doing you a favor? That's 50,000.
50,000?
Yes. It's small now.
Ha! Barrister, that money is too much.
That's 50,000 naira and consider it done. You said my father sent you?
Yes. Are you not Iche Ozo's son?
Yes.
He sent me to you.
Okay. I will tell him.
I'll go and raise the money from my shop, then I'll bring it to you this evening.
No problem. I'll tell my father I've talked with you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, God is with you.
Ichie, that cannot be possible. Yes, your son coming back for the traditional marriage will make him lose the program. So there is no way he can come back and still retain the program. It's not possible. So you choose one. Either he come back for the traditional marriage, lose the program, or he stays.
But my friend Uzo said that...
Forget what my father said. I'm telling you what is obtainable. There's no way he can come back and still retain that program. That's a fact. Ask him what my father said.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
It's all right.
Okay.
I take my leave.
Well, bye-bye.
Check it,
My son, so that is it. You have to stand in for your brother, given that Uchenna is very far away and there is no possible way of bringing him as it stands. So we don't want to lose at all.
Papa, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Your request is impossible.
Why would you say it's not possible? It is possible. Every other people does it every now and then. And I don't want us to, as it stands now, we have no option.
Papa, what are you talking about? Are you talking to a child? Eh? Papa, you know I've not married my own wife. I haven't married yet. And you want me to go and stand in for my brother? You want me to... Papa, are you mocking me? You think I don't have shame? Eh? Papa, you want me to perform the traditional rites on behalf of my brother overseas? Eh? You want me to wear those traditional clothes? Then, after performing the traditional rites, then I'll now take off the traditional clothes. Then I'll now go back to my bachelorhood. Papa, no.
Why are you this jealous?
Why are you talking to
No, let me talk to him like that. Is it Uchenna's fault that a full-grown man, an old man like him, is not married yet? Is it Uchenna's fault? Now stand in for your brother, Honorable Nenyama arithmetic formula.
Papa.
Yes, that's how I should talk to him like that.
Did you hear your husband?
Let me talk him back to sense.
Mama, did you hear the man you married?
Why are you talking to me like that?
Did you hear the man you married?
You know that I have married him. What is that?
No, Mama.
It's an insult.
At this point, no.
This boy is a complete insult.
Papa, you have failed.
Let me tell you something.
Papa, you have a hidden agenda.
It's you that have a hidden agenda.
Papa,
I should be telling you that.
Why are you so particular about this?
This is why I
don't I have the right to make decisions for myself?
Have you seen it? I said it should have been opposite. I don't know why this boy came first.
Okay now.
Okay
now. Papa, you are you are jealous that I came first.
You see this okay now? I don't want to hear.
Papa, you are God now. Eh? You are God that gives children.
I don't want to hear that.
You are God that gives children. You are jealous that I came first.
I want to tell you this.
Eh?
There must be a way out.
Okay.
And when I go to that point, I will define who you are.
Okay.
I will define you.
Papa, I am my father's son.
Let me tell you something.
Whatever you wish for me,
not my
back
son.
to sender.
It's you that is an animal.
Whatever you wish for me,
you are
back to sender.
Efu.
Papa, come and tie my neck now.
Very soon,
come and force me.
I will bring your tools home.
Papa,
I'll chisel your bread.
Papa, come and force me.
I will bring hammer.
Come and force me to get married on behalf of my brother.
Knock you back to normal. Because for now, I can white. That's who you are.
Can you calm
down? No, don't tell me to calm down. I wish this idiot will commit something that will make him land in prison hole. Not in prison yet. No, I have to pray for that.
Yes,
idiot. You leave my house. Leave my house.
Papa,
I am telling you to leave my house.
I should leave your house.
Yes.
For your information, this is my father's house. Go back to your father's house. Papa, go back to your father's house. This is my house. This is my father's house. My right is my house. Go back to your father's house.
You see why I said you need your sense to come back?
Papa,
you have got.
I am my father's son.
Go back.
You gave back to me. So that is me. That is whatever is happening to me now. I got it from you.
Let me bring your chisel back. I'll bring your bend back with chisel.
Go back to your father's house. This is my father's house.
You are an idiot. You are an idiot. Otaka Amaka, you are an idiot. Hey, why don't you go? You are an idiot. Praying mantis, that's what you are. Even put on off there.
Go and have heart attack. Continue until you have heart attack. It's weak, eh?
My plan is working out, but I still have a problem. I need to convince Ego. Ego, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? Well, you don't look fine. What's wrong? Huh?
I worried. I'm thinking, I don't know how I want him to betraying my younger sister.
Does that mean you have accepted to do it?
I don't think having choice now. I don't think having choice. You don't think having choice. Me and you don't think having choice. So I'm doing it.
See, that's why I'm always proud of you.
But I feel, telling me, HK, you thinking this thing is working? You thinking it's working?
Ego, with you by my side, everything will be fine.
You thinking so?
Everything will be fine with you by my side.
I don't feel it. I'm not I'm bringing you food. You eating it, you liking it. I cooking it very well for you. You're laughing at my English again.
No, I'm not. Honestly.
You eating this food now, telling me
I'm not now.
You eating English or you eating good in food?
I'm not. I'm just trying to look at the food.
Look at it.
You made.
Looking it. You see, you not seeing English inside in the food.
I want water.
I bring you. I'm taking money.
There's money in my drawer. Buy some water.
I buy. Come.
Any nonsense thing, she not the taker.
I'm not understanding you. You forgetting your plane. Ain't nothing money inside in here.
Not this, my drawer.
There's
a small drawer there. There's money in it.
You stressing me.
Check the drawer. You see a drawer there. Check.
She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is burdened now.
There's a bone one. Hey, whoa. I don't want that side of salt. I don't like salt.
Like salt. Turn it now.
No, Mama, I don't like salt too.
Let me cut that one. Thank you so much. Shows you a very good son. Thank you so much. God will bless you. Oh. Let me turn it for all of us.
No, I don't like salt.
You don't like salt? Okay.
My son, I'm so proud of you, son. It shows that you are a true son of your father. I'm happy.
Exactly.
Mama, you don't have to thank me. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Papa is still my father. And tradition demands that I respect him. So I did what I did out of respect for my father.
Good. That's why you are my son.
Huh? Which of you? The one in my cage?
No, my own.
Okay. Okay now.
I know.
Okay. Our own is for
for my own is business. So.
I know.
His own is for selling.
What I have is yours. What you have, I don't know. Who is for? But my own is for you. Don't worry, I will clean it for you. Don't worry.
Sorry.
Don't worry. Oh, some media you were there.
No, stop now.
Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. My corner lawyer for. She is burdened now. With the bandila, just because she's bored enough. God is with you. But be careful, 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 Neka ma walupa ya waya ige me bife Neka ma Bika walupa ya waya ige me bife Ay Ona diga koko Imebalu ife melody Neka ige me bife Ona diga koko Imebalu ife melody Neka ige me bife Please, can't you forgive?
Don't go there and misbehave. You have to behave yourself. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Wait. See, you have to behave yourself. Don't go there and start doing anyhow. You start embarrassing me.
I'm hearing you now.
You're hearing me? I'm hearing you now. Do you understand what I said?
I'm hearing you, leaving me.
Come here, don't shout. We must have an agreement. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Mama, we're preparing for the wedding. Mama, I'll be there. I'll wait for you.
Mama, any problem? What was the name of that?
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, she is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. My God, she is bold enough. Just because she's bold But be careful, God is with you. But be careful, is with you. But be careful, God is with you. But be careful,
No, get the moon. No, get the moon. Lienu. Guano. Guano.
Any nonsense she not take her. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. She is bold just because she's bold enough. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be
I'm happy for you, my good friend. Finally, you have made your ancestors proud in their grave. Oh no!
I can only learn from great men like you. I said, let me thank you people in a special way for standing for me during my trial times.
You deserved it. You deserved it. We knew that you would fail us. Thanks to Ejike, who stood in for his younger brother.
Oh, no. No.
Speaking about Ejike, how is he? We passed by his carpentry workshop, but he wasn't there.
It's like he has not opened his shop after the traditional marriage. What happened? What happened?
Hope all is well with Ejike. The gods gave their blessings. Neither of them is expected to suffer any hurt.
Ejike took that girl in as his legally married wife. And as we speak, she has moved in with him.
What girl are you talking about?
That girl that stood in as Uchena's wife. In the other hand, is Ejike's girlfriend, whom he has been hiding away from us all this while.
Abomination.
Not only that, they did more worse thing than that. As we speak, those two have moved in as husband and wife nya onye ka akpọ ya dim onye ka ọzọ akpọ ya nwunye
Alo.
Abomination.
Abomination.
Alo.
Does he know the repercussion of such action?
Does he? That is the reason I said I will call you people. Katukwalo, malify many. When you see Kanja Mangala, name Mekana, Sepano Dodi. Leave for it in
I'm
confused.
Are you telling us this is happening in our family?
I told you that this is what I'm expecting.
We must do something though. Can reality be mad?
Have to hasten up.
Let us be wise how to handle this issue.
Just when I thought I have succeeded.
Aye.
Hello, man.
So the information I got about Ego's marriage is true. After all I have done for her. After all the money I have spent.
Any nonsense thing, she not a beggar. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice. Makona lawyer for. She is bold enough. On a with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough.
Mama, as far as I am concerned, you're talking rubbish. Mama, you're talking rubbish. Mama, don't dare talk to me about repercussion. Because tell me, were the gods blind? Were the gods powerless when Papa was going around sleeping with all the women I was supposed to marry? Mama, don't talk to me about repercussions, please.
Ejike, for Christ's sake, for the repercussion's sake, for sanity's sake, it is wrong to take in a woman that is not legally married to you. Yes.
Legally married. Mama, I paid her bride price. Were you not there?
You stood in for your younger brother.
No.
To marry his own wife.
Is that what you think?
I don't think it. I know it. And that's exactly what happened.
Okay now, I got fool now. Mama, I am legally married to Ego. Ego is legally married to me. In fact, henceforth, address us as Mr. and Mrs.
What has come over you? Who is making you bring this shame upon this family?
Mama, I'm not bringing shame to any family. So watch your mouth.
So what is wrong with you? What is making you do this? Who is luring you to this demonic relationship?
Mama, as far as I am concerned, my kinsmen handed Ego over to me as my wife. My legally married wife, because I paid her dowry. I paid her bride price, so she's legally my wife.
Mama, you don't blame me, You talking? You're not there when they're paying the bride price to you. You collecting the bride price.
Will you shut up? Shut up, Ego. The bride price was for your sister. You have to end this madness now and come back to this house. If Ejike wants to marry you, let him come and do things the right way, not the other way around. And I have women and I'm not
Mama, that one you had me. I'm not doing that one.
Meaning what? What do you mean by that?
Mama, you meaning me and Ejike we marrying? We not living each other. We marrying and final.
Ego, you stood for your younger sister. Now you want to take advantage of it. Inapuala, are you not? Are you insane? I'm asking you, answer me. You have to come back to this house.
Mama, you're not understanding anything about in love. Not understanding me. I'm not living in.
What is there to understand, Ego? Can you find a more understand? What is there to understand? You have to come back to this house, oh. If not, I will curse you and you will regret all your actions. Can you find You have to come back to this house. You will see what will happen to you. I'm not here. What is the meaning of this? She should not try it, oh. Let her not try it at all. Because if she does, I am going to curse her. How can she be so heartless and wicked towards her own sister? Why
are you shouting like this? What is it?
Is it not your sister? Is it not ego? How can she claim the marriage she stood for her sister?
Claim. Now I see. So that's why she decided to go and stay with that hopeless man.
Better talk to her, oh. Talk to her, because I don't want to curse my own child. If I do, Oga tata ya aja, tata ya konkere, mankume, onwe kona aga tata. Talk to her, warn her.
Mama, Mama, I cannot talk to her now. Why will you send me to go and talk to her? You know fully well that she won't listen to me. She will not. Please, Mama, I don't want to. At the end, she will just beat me. You can't do what I'm because let me do what I'm doing. I can't talk to anybody. Here. Clay. Yay!
What is wrong with her? She does not listen to anybody. Blockhead. Go to school. No. Fight.
Mama, at the end, you just have headache. This shout will not solve anything. Stop shouting. Go and talk to her. She's your daughter. She will listen to you. But as for me, I cannot. Mama, let me go and keep the wood though.
What kind of a daughter is this? She does not listen to anyone. Okay.
Ejike, if what you're doing is to get back at your father, what he did to you in the past, your mother here will tell you overdoing it. Ejike, you are overdoing it.
Okay, now. I got food now.
What's that?
Mama, come and tie a rope around my neck and drag me to send her back.
Is ego making you do this? People should stop deceiving yourselves, because no matter what happens in this world, you two are not husband and wife. You are both deceiving yourselves. Maybe she's the one deceiving you into this.
Okay, now. I got food now. Now. We shall see.
At last, I have betrayed my sister. I wish I had another option. Now, my mother is seeing me as a bad person. There is nothing I can do about this.
Leaving me.
You're not sleeping. What's wrong?
I'm not sleeping.
What happened?
I worried.
Worried? Why are you worried?
I'm not knowing what to telling my sister when she coming back now. I feeling like I betraying her. The thing warning me.
Ego, stop now. We're already married. The deed has been done. There's nothing anybody can do. We're married now. People will stop laughing at us.
You thinking so?
Yes, now.
I'm not thinking so. People are talking.
Ego.
My sister is coming back. She feeling bad. I betraying. He paining me.
Ego, your sister can only be mad at you for a while, and she'll forgive you eventually. Stop now. We need to enjoy yourself. Sleep. Come.
I don't think wanting to
Come
sleep.
Now. Come, let's sleep. Put your head here. Sleep.
Waiting now, sleeping. Ndukwe.
cannot sleep. I cannot sleep. How can I sleep? Wait, how are you even able to sleep with all everything happening around us? Eh? With all this zooming, you are sleeping.
I've told you to stop disturbing yourself. Stop disturbing yourself over this whole matter. Chike can still do other things, but he cannot bite the finger that is fitting him. Go back to sleep, man. I want to catch some sleep, please.
What do you mean by that?
Baby, he needs to desist from what he's doing and ask his father for forgiveness. If not, heads will grow in that family.
From the little Ego has told me about Ejike, he won't do it. Do you know that he was the brain behind all these things? Ejike means to deal with his father.
Baby, no matter what the father has done, he's still his father.
This is just temptation.
It's not. I don't see reasons he's betraying his brother because of what the father did.
That's true. But Ejike didn't say it that way.
Baby, someday his younger brother is going to come back. Let's see how this whole thing will end.
Do you think he will take it easy with Ejike?
Of course not.
Then what about Ego's younger sister?
Baby, that's a bigger case.
Okay. No problem. Let me go in and continue what I'm doing.
Enjoy.
Ego, on whose side are you? On whose side are you? No, you are supporting him. Did he not know he was my father when he was busy, shamelessly sleeping with all the women I wanted to marry? Eh?
I'm not even understanding you. No, why you thinking that me is supporting somebody? I'm not supporting anybody now. But I'm telling you, you're forgetting this thing. This thing is passing away, he went in away, he passing. Forgetting it.
He went in away, he passing away, he went, choose one. Listen, everything I said I will do to that man, I will do it. And nobody can stop me.
Why are you doing like this? No, telling me why your heart is strong. Your heart is strong more than the hammer you're using in the shop to do it. Your heart is strong. It's strong more than stone. Telling me why? Why you having this kind of heart now? I don't even know how I loving you. I don't even know you. Eh? I don't even know you. See, this thing you want.
I don't know how I love you.
I don't care. The thing you understanding what I'm talking, and I'm talking it until I die. Eh? Forgetting this thing you're passing. This thing you're doing now, you're doing it, you're not only doing your father, you're doing me too. You're doing me now. You're telling me you're roughing me. Why you wanting people to be roughing me like this?
Let them laugh. Ego, let them laugh. Let me tell you something. They're envious of us. You don't know? They're envious because they don't have the mind to do what we have done. And very soon, they'll come and start celebrating us.
I don't understand you. No, what is he bringing envious? Envious or envious?
Envious? What is envious? What is envious? It's envious.
Why you don't liking this my language? You don't liking it, you loving me. Telling me how you doing it. You leaving me and going to meet people that speaking English now. See, Ejike. I'm telling you now, you're not listening. I'm telling you now, you're not listening. I'm calling you 2 times. I'm telling you now. I'm talking my own.
Ego, let me tell you something. You see, I spent years. I was patient for this moment. Do you understand? I ignored everything my father did to me just for this to happen. And right now, I want you to sit down and watch it unfold.
You folding it, you're not folding it, nothing concerning me.
You have to go back to school.
Because
I'm tired of your English.
You thinking everything is folding, you folding chair, you're turning it to the person sitting down on the chair.
Chihuahua.
Papa! Papa! Papa!
Hey! This is the first time a lion has given birth to Nkapi. The first time a lion is giving birth to Nkapi. Hey!
Papa!
Hey!
Papa! I have come to warn you. I am here to warn you. Leave my family alone. Papa, leave my family alone. That girl is legally married to me. That girl is traditionally married to me. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. Including you, the entire Amadi family, even your gods cannot do anything about it.
Ejike, you have won the battle line. Go home. You will hear from me. Very soon you will hear from me.
Papa, I have held my peace. I have held my peace for so long. If you try me again, Ndukwe, if you try me again, I'll give you war. Papa, I will give you war.
Ejike,
I will tell you that I am a tiger with a pretty face.
Ejike, I must see Bawagobi. Hey! I will make one. Abomination! I will make one. Abomination! Ejike, I have cost you for life. I have cost you for life. What is that? Hey! You said the Bogri, a book one ogri.
Was it that Ejike?
You said the Bogri, a book one ogri. Who is, if not that useless son of yours? But there's no problem. That idiot called me Ndukwe right in front of me. He said Ndukwe before me. Tell me who gave birth to that idiot. He is light-skinned and you are light-skinned. If he is my son, he will stand before me and call me by my name. Hey! Arueme, tell me who gave birth to that boy? Who impregnated you? How did you go about that boy? You will tell me now. Manaso Badule, let me know if he's still there.
What is this again? What is this?
Ejike!
I'll give you war. Let me see you around again. If I don't cut off your manhood, you know it's on me.
Let me know if he's still there. Oh no, where is he? You will tell me who gave birth to you, one of you. Everything in your life is for free. You are living in your brother's house for free. You married his wife for free. Idiot! I will not come down. I have told you we must do DNA test. What about DNA test? We will do DNA test. I want to be sure of this idiot before I plan how to deal with him. I want to be sure of this animal before I take action. We must go to DNA test. Let us go to DNA test now. Now! We will find doctors and consultants there. Let's go to DNA test. For this idiot. You see this idiot? I will put him in Ochende 4. I am in Ochende 4. This idiot called me by my name. He stared into my eyes and called me by Ifangolanya. Oh, Nejike. Oh, Nejike from Neuche. Ifangolanya. This boy called me by my name. There is something behind. And I will find it out soon. If you don't want to go to the doctor, I will go to the hospital by myself. I'll present my blood and I will run tests by myself. When you go there, you meet me. We must find out the truth.
So this is how my house.
You're welcome.
My family is about to be engulfed in a huge crisis. With the way things are going, it may end up being very disastrous. Before you can move forward, please, I need your help. Help me.
Nejike, your family will not witness any crisis. I give you my word.
Do you know that Ejike came back to the house today, threatening the father that he should leave him and his family alone? That means he has separated us from this family. The one he and his wife is another one. Our own is different from his own.
Which family is he talking about? The family that is not recognized by the tradition of the land. Now tell me, which family is this Ejikeme of your son talking about? I beg, just go and rest. Have your peace. We will look into the matter. Don't let it bother you. Family. As you are showing children the road, they will leave the road and be following another path. Which family? If you tell them this is the road, they will leave the road and following another road. Is that the way the family?
So, Uncle, that is actually the reason for my behavior. And I'm not going to stop.
Ejike, I appreciate you for your openness. And honestly, based on what you just told me, do you think I should discuss it over with your father, given
Uncle? Yeah, you can decide to speak to my father if you wish. However, I opened up to you because of the respect I have for you. But please, I don't want anyone else to hear about it, because I believe it's a family affair.
That is wisdom, I must confess. So, since you say it's a family matter, why don't we settle it like a family matter?
No.
I mean, you, your father and I.
Ichi, I said no.
We can even join or invite one or two elders if you want.
Ichi, my answer is no.
But why? People seek for solution whenever there is a problem.
Ichi, I already told you it's a family affair. And I already have a solution to it, so don't bother.
Well, Ejike, I can only make suggestions. The decision is yours to make at the end of the day. You have every right to take any action or make any decision you like to. My own is to support you at any point in time, which I am out to do.
Thank you very much, Uncle. I appreciate your concern.
Okay. Thank you very much, my son. Continue with your business.
Any nonsense thing, she not the taker. Any nonsense thing, she not the.
To conspire against your own blood brother?
Ma? Huh?
Was that your arrangement with your umona?
Mama, how can you? What does that mean?
Why would you do that?
But Mama, I am not my kinsman who gave the verdict.
And you were there when they were giving the verdict. What did you say?
Mama, I don't understand what you mean.
And you?
Because I'm in the thinking mood.
So what happens to my son?
Mama, as it is now.
So you lose everything.
I'm married though.
You're married what?
Anugom wine.
So